guys, my name is Anne and today in my channel Anne Mit, I'm going to be doing an Excel tutorial of how to use the sum, the subtract, the multiply and divide sign in Excel. Come on, let's jump into the video. Boom. So let's delete all of this and let's start a new sheet. Yes. So in Excel, first we're going to do the basics of Excel. In Excel, we have something called rows. So like columns. Like A, B, C, D, E, all of these are columns. And in Excel, we also got something called rows. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, all of these are rows. Now, if a row and a column intersect, we make something called the cell, like 8B2. This is a cell. And we can't call it 2B. In Excel technical words, we call this intersection B2. Now, we're going to jump onto the addition part. In Excel, if you, example, put the number 3, and in A2 you put the number 4. Now, I'm going to be telling you how to add these numbers. There are loads of ways to add these numbers. So I'm going to be telling you first two ways. The first way is we can do equal sign 3 plus 4. We get the answer 7. Easy. The more technical way to do this is a bit different. What we do is we do equal 3 A1 plus A2. So this is a better way. So if we do this way, it's going to show 7. And if we change this number to 5, the answer is going to change. Did you see? If you're doing a long, big data table, this is going to be so easy if you got something wrong. And now, I'm going to tell an even better way to do this. If we have loads of numbers like 2, 3, 5, 2, 1, and now we want to add all of these. And instead of just highlighting all of them and doing the addition sign, what we can do is we can press equal, sum, bracket, and then we can highlight all of it from F1 to F5. And then we close the bracket and suddenly we got the answer 12. So easy. Now we're going to be jumping on to subtraction. For example, we got a number 4 and a number 3. So there are two ways to subtract this. Either we can do the long and the bad way to do this. Do equals to 4 minus 3. And then we get 4 minus 3. And we get answer 1. But I said with addition, there's always a better way. And the better and more technical way for Excel is to do equals. And then we highlight I1. We press the subtract sign. And then we press I2. And now we got answer 1. Wonderful way. Now we're going to be jumping onto multiplication. In multiplication, this is quite different from normal multiplication sign, and it's a bit different. So for example, we got 1 and 2, and we want to multiply both of these numbers. What we can do is we can press the equal sign. And the bad way, as I said, is equals 1 multiply by using the asterisk sign. Asterisk sign, yeah, which is going to be shift 8 in a laptop in PC. So this is the multiplication sign, and then we can do 2. We get the answer 2. Now, as I said, if we change this number to 2, it's not gonna change that, is it? So as I said, the better way is to do equals, highlight the cell A8, press the asterisk sign, and then 2. And we get the answer 2. Now if we change this to 6, press 6. 2, press solve. Like this, we can make easily multiplication tables, which is going to be more complex, but we can make multiplication tables. Now, I'm going to be telling you how to divide in Excel. For example, we put the number 5 here and the number 2 here. Now we want to divide it. So instead of telling you the bad way first, you know what the bad way is, I'm going to tell you the good way instead to save time. So what we do for this is we do equals, then we highlight the cell H10, and then we don't have a division sign, and it's a bit different in Excel. It's a slash sign. And then we can press I10 and we get the answer 2.5. Like this, we can make division tables. Thank you for this video, guys. Please subscribe to Animate. Thanks, guys. Hope you find this video helpful for Excel beginners. Bye. Thanks.